Is Jumpspeak the best app in 2026? Learning a new language can be frustrating. You spend hours memorizing vocabulary, listening to audios, doing exercises, but when it's time to actually speak, your mind goes blank. It's like everything you studied disappears. That's exactly where Jumpspeak comes in. This app promises to teach you languages in a completely different way, by making you speak from the very first minute. But does it really work, or is it just another overhyped language app? From the moment you open it, Jumpspeak feels different. There are no endless word lists or boring grammar quizzes. Instead, the app throws you straight into real-life conversations powered by AI. It talks to you, you respond out loud, and everything feels surprisingly natural, like you're chatting with a real person. That's the core of Jumpspeak's approach. Learning by speaking, not memorizing. The design is modern, simple, and intuitive. It guides you through short, realistic dialogues about everyday topics, ordering food, traveling, meeting people, or even having deeper conversations. Each lesson lasts just a few minutes, making it perfect to fit into any part of your day. One of its standout features is the advanced speech recognition. It doesn't just listen. It analyzes your pronunciation, tone, and fluency. When you make mistakes, the app corrects you instantly, but without interrupting the flow of the conversation. That constant correction and repetition are what make the learning feel so real and effective. Jumpspeak also uses an adaptive learning system. As you progress, the app automatically adjusts the difficulty of each conversation. If you're confident, it challenges you with harder phrases. If you hesitate, it slows things down. It's dynamic, flexible, and surprisingly human. Another strong feature is the daily conversation mode. Every day, you get a new dialogue based on real situations. It keeps your practice consistent and helps you turn language learning into a habit. Over time, you'll notice something powerful. Your brain starts to think directly in the new language, without translating word by word. In terms of languages, Jumpspeak offers English, Spanish, French, German, Italian, and Portuguese, with more being added. The voices sound natural and expressive, not robotic, which makes the interactions even more realistic and enjoyable. The app has a free version with limited access, but the premium plan unlocks unlimited conversations, detailed feedback, and advanced tracking. It's not the cheapest option, but compared to private lessons or tutors, it's still an affordable way to practice speaking daily. Technically, Jumpspeak runs smoothly. It's fast, light, and works even with limited internet access. It saves your progress automatically and syncs between devices, so you can continue from where you left off anytime, anywhere. Of course, no app is perfect. Some users say that after a while, the dialogues can feel repetitive, and the selection of topics could be broader. Still, the overall experience remains solid and engaging, especially for those who want to break the fear of speaking. And that's where Jumpspeak really shines. It helps you overcome the fear of speaking. Many learners struggle not because they don't know the words, but because they're too nervous to use them. Jumpspeak gives you a safe space to practice daily, to make mistakes, and to grow your confidence, all without judgment. So, is Jumpspeak worth it in 2026? Absolutely. If you're looking for an app that helps you speak a new language naturally and consistently, Jumpspeak delivers. It's not about memorizing endless grammar rules. It's about training your mind and voice to think in another language. In a world full of language apps focused on repetition, Jumpspeak stands out for one simple reason. It actually teaches you to communicate. If you've been studying for months without real progress, or you just want to sound more natural, give it a try. Jumpspeak might just become your favorite language learning tool this year. And if this review helped you decide, leave a comment or share it with someone who's also trying to learn a language. Every view and every share helps more people find tools that truly work. See you in the next review.